Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Joe from Audio Guys. This is a follow-up video. The Klipsch R12SW subwoofer features a 12-inch copper spun woofer. It's a ported sub, which means the bass output is amplified through a hole through the back, and it comfortably shakes my house. The sub has LFE inputs, allowing it to work with any receiver. The subwoofer comfortably goes down below 16 Hz. It's got 400 watts of power. So the only new thing I would like to share is, being that I love this subwoofer so much, I bought a second one to complement the first one, and when they're both firing together, the sound quality is amazing. I highly recommend these subs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more content. Please like and please subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.